The construction of the Egyptian pyramids, especially the Great Pyramids of Giza, was an extraordinary and complex engineering achievement. Despite thousands of years passing, the exact details of how they were built remain debated, but scholars and historians have developed several theories based on archaeological evidence. Here's how the pyramids were likely built. 1. Choosing the location. The plateau near the Nile River was chosen as the construction site. Reasons: solid ground to support the weight of the pyramids. Proximity to the Nile for easy transportation of stones from quarries. 2. Gathering materials. Limestone, extracted from nearby quarries for the pyramid structure. Granite, brought from Aswan for use in the king's chambers and internal corridors. Mud bricks, used for temporary structures and supports. 3. Transporting the stones. Massive stones were transported using wooden sledges pulled by teams of workers. The ground was wetted with water to reduce friction and make movement easier. Stones from distant locations were transported via the Nile using boats. 4. Lifting the stones. Sand ramps, either straight or spiral, were used to lift stones to higher levels. The stones were raised using sledges, ropes, and human pulling power. As the pyramid grew taller, the ramps were extended and elevated. 5. Engineering design. The pyramids were designed with 4 faces precisely aligned with the cardinal directions: north, south, east, west. Edges and angles were measured meticulously to ensure stability. The interior design included chambers and passages for the king and the protection of his belongings. 6. The workforce. The workers were not slaves, contrary to some myths. They were Egyptian farmers who worked seasonally during the Nile's flood periods. Workers lived in nearby camps and were compensated with food and water. The labor was divided into specialized teams for transport, carving, and lifting. 7. Finishing and polishing. After construction, the pyramids were covered with polished white limestone to reflect sunlight. This polishing made the pyramids appear shiny and radiant from afar. Conclusion: the pyramids represent the pinnacle of ancient engineering and human creativity. Despite the primitive tools available, the ancient Egyptians managed. Subscribe to see the new videos. Thanks for watching.